Hi, this is Emil. Okay, let's get into the list columns configuration parameters. Okay, again, this is some changes here according as of the last version 6.3. Okay, this allows you to set the columns up for your detailed display for your list displays. Okay, here's basically a single column layout. If you were to use a multi-column layout, this is how it would show up. This, of course, is for Joomla 3.0. So it's only showing the one column. Here is the 2.5 version actually shows, here's how it would look with two columns across. Okay, basically it breaks everything down into two columns within each group. And in this case, it actually has an empty space here, which you can then fill up by activating one of the fields that we have here, as in the case here of sale dates. If I turn that on, then when it comes back after updating, here, sale dates now appear in this sixth column. Okay. And the new feature here, again, is with the ordering. With the 2.5 version, which is this page here, you can use the arrows to move your fields up and down to rearrange them, basically, so that, let's say we wanted to switch price and city. So you just take price, we'll just click on the arrow, and that'll move it down. And when it comes back, it'll actually show the change that you made. City is now in front of price. Okay, same thing for both these, so you can see immediately how it looks. If you're working with Joomla 3.0, again, we've got the drag and drop feature, so that here we've got price in front of city. Okay, if we wanted to switch those around, just take it and move it down, and that's it. But because this is done at your local desktop, it's not affecting this display. It won't affect it until you either reorder it, or if you hit refresh on the screen, there, now it shows up. City is in front of price. Okay. The other fields here on this particular page, if you want to edit the line, basically you want to change the title, you click on the name. Okay. The fields, these are set basically in the fields list, which were discussed in the previous tutorials. Okay. You can actually change the display title from here, or you can change the published, unpublished, so that you can set this up to display your titles or not, where you have the title not displayed. It'll actually show on this display screen in a dimmed out version, and it shows you some of the other features that'll show up, such as market sold and trade type are set up to appear in the image column. For the ad description, certain data is going to be shown in green. The item ID user, and that's basically if the user is logged in or if an administrator is logged in, they will be able to see this stuff. The edit, clone, delete, again, if a user or the administrator is logged in, they will see this ad for their own ad. And then this is just basically telling you that a particular ad that you're looking at in the list has not been published or it has already expired. Okay, the same thing for the dates created column. Above it, if you have new and hot setup, which was discussed in the general parameters and the number of hits, this is where they will show. Okay, that's all for this one. Oh, let's go in and quickly go to the edit screen of one of these. And there's really not much here. This is where you would change the name. At this point, it's using part of the language file that's set up with classified Redux. Turn the publishing on or off. You can change the order from here. You can say to display or not display the title also. Okay, so that's it for this portion. Go on to the next details position. Thanks.